In this session, we are going to be looking at managing our activities for the MBA program. So, to access the program planner, we click on the program planner menu. And for this session, I'll be assuming I'm in charge of the member program. Once I click on the member program, I can view all my activities that I'm supposed to um, handle to manage this MBA session. So, for the activities in red here are basically pre-program activities. Those in blue are the during the program activities, and those in green are post program activities. So that's how you can identify which task are supposed to, um, which tasks are for the pre program, during the program, and post program activities. So basically, before the program starts, those will be handling all the pre program activities, and we'll start once I start an activity, I move it to in progress. So let's assume I've done this, I move it to in progress. If I start this also, I move it to in progress. If I start it, I move it to in progress. So one would expect that before the program starts, all those in red, those are the pre-program activities, they should already be in progress. And once the program starts, all the pre-program activities should have been moved to done, unless you're not done with them yet. And if they are delayed, you can move it to the delay tab. Once the program starts, all the pre-program activities would expect that they would have been moved to done, unless we are still registering new students. But basically, once the program starts, all the pre-program activities should be moved to done. And during the program activities, the blue ones, once you start handling those tasks, you start moving them to in progress. So if I have another blue activity here, inform group directors of intensive week, I move it here once I've done that. And that's how I view it. If there's a delay in maybe one or two activities, I can move it here. Once the program is ended and I'm not done with some of those activities, I can move it here to delayed. Those activities I'm done with, I move them to done. And also, once the program has ended, we now start handling post-program activities. So I'll go once I start handling my tasks, let's assume I start entering the grades in the combined result sheet for the class. Once I start this activity, I move it to in progress. If I start this activity also, I move it to in progress. So this is how you're going to manage your activities for the MBA program. Also, I will quickly show you how to set deadlines. All these are in the training materials that are uploaded in the course. And basically, to create a deadline for all these activities, you select the particular activity, and you click on edit here, and you select the dates. Let's assume the deadline for this date is December 14. I select that, December 14. So if I come here now, I can see December 14 as a deadline. Then let's take another scenario. Let's assume I have this activity here, and I'm supposed to be done with this activity. Let's assume second week in January. So this is the second week in January, the 10th. I'm supposed to be done with this activity, and I'm not done with it yet. If you come here, you can see it's in this activity is in red. So what that means is that once you look at your dashboard here, you can see all. Anytime you see a red activity that is not done yet, it means that you're being delayed for this particular activity, and you need to focus on it and ensure that this activity is completed as soon as possible. So this is where I'm going to end this session with respect to the program planner. Also, one more thing for the program manager in charge of all the programs. To view all the tasks, you come to the All Tasks tab here, and you can click on this, and all the tasks will populate. You can see all the tasks for all the different MBA programs and how they're moving, those that are completed. The ones in red, you can look at see the ones in red and find out why, and call the program manager and find out why there's a delay on on this particular um, activity. So this will be all for the program planning. Thank you very much.